Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sagar and today I'm going to do this makeup that I'm inspired by Isabela madrigal from Encanto the animation just Disney released, and it happened to be my favorite. If you're interested in hair tutorial or makeup, I suggested to subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's go on. First, I prep my skin by using primer. Then I use foundation. This is super affordable. I'm going to use one shade darker because I'm going to use a strobing technique that don't require heavy contouring, that I'm only gonna use a concealer as a highlighter. I'm using highlighter under my eye area, back of my eyelid, a little bit on my nose bridge, and my forehead and chin. Then I'm going to blend it well with my brush. This is the eyeshadow palette that I'm using, and again it's super affordable. First I use medium brown as a transition color on the outer portion of my eye and on my crease. Then I'm going to blend it well. Use a fluffier brush for blending. I'm using a dark brown on my lash line, then smoke it out. Also on the outer portion of my eyes, I'm creating like a triangle shape. Then I'm going to blend it. I'm using the same dark brown on my lower eyelid, then connect it to the above. Then blend it well. I'm using a little bit peachy color on my eyelid and I'm going to blend it well. I'm using a little shiny bright pink on my middle eyelid. I'm using cake eyeliner, and instead of water I'm going to use fixing spray. It's going to help eyeliner last longer than usual. Then I'm using a mascara. This is super affordable and also very nice mascara. I'm using eyebrow shadow and a flat brush to fill my eyebrow a little bit. Then I'm going to use a spoolie and brush my eyebrow. I'm going to use a bronzer as a blush and also contour. I'm going to use it on my cheek and also on my nose. Then I'm going to use a liquid highlighter and I'm going to apply with my finger to prevent from getting cakey or patchy. I'm going to use a brown lip liner and matte nude lipstick. Then I'm using setting spray to put my makeup in place. And this is a final look. It's so light. I hope you guys are enjoying this makeup and let me know in the comment section. Also, I have a TikTok account that my content is very different from YouTube. I suggested you to follow me there. Until next week.